to Shri Science Experiment. Hello friends, I am back with a new video, new experiment. I know you are at home and I am too. Come we'll listen its name. Its name is fire and water. Come we'll see what things are needed to do it. A candle, a balloon filled with water. I have filled water this much. And a matchbox. So come we'll do it. But kids, you will remember that please perform this video with parents supervision, okay? Take a candle and take a balloon and you will light it. The candle, you will light it the candle. Like this. I have lit the candle. Now we will place the balloon on the candle. Wow! Why the balloon doesn't pops? Wow! This is because when the water inside the balloon is placed in the flame, the water absorbs most of the heat from the flame. When the rubber of the balloon does not become very hot, because the rubber does not become hot, it does not pop or break. Have you understand? I have understand it.